Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to be showing you my mock. Let's get into it. So I'm going to start in the outside, out here. So out here we have a guy teaching him how to shoot a tree. I know it seems kind of ridiculous. So yeah. And I have these two just sitting there and talking. Probably getting bitten by bugs. There's not much to talk about these. I need to find more things to talk about. Then I did make scout troopers, my guards, like snipers, DLT-19 troops. Focus, please. And the machine gun. And then this is usually the guy that draws up the plans. Beautiful. Okay, this looks a lot more beautiful when I take down the lighting. No! It's so stupid! Stop! Then I have another scout trooper on the radio. I guess this is a nighttime mock. No. Then I have a Jedi. Right here. A Jedi Padawan that Appo is my custom sergeant is helping train to jump on rocks, maybe. Then I have a machine gun post, got some DLT-19 troopers. Over here we have a guy that's target practicing with his minigun. Got one of my sniper troops right here. Have these guys just doing crap. What is he? I mean, what? This guy is doing this because of this walking towards. Okay, fine. That's terrifying. That's terrifying. Oh my gosh. It's terrifying. Then I have this trooper. Psycho. Then I have a teal trooper. I don't know, probably the Water Legion something. Then I have these two 21st Specialist Division. They can be ground soldiers, they can man artillery and vehicles. I do have a couple from the new Mandalorian thingy battle pack, which we'll probably see in this mock. I'm not spoiling anything. Then I have my custom ARC trooper. I custom made this bad boy. He has his own custom paper pauldrons. Use sticky tack to attach the rangefinder. Beautiful! He's a training sergeant for ARC troopers. I love that guy. And then I have Fives and Jesse, I guess, is gonna go to training. Going to training. And then right here we have a piece of defending artillery. It goes all the way over there. And we have my Sharp Eye boy. He of course has tally marks on his helmet for how many injuries. Then there's just one of my gunner pilots fishing with his hands. Then there's some artillery parked. Then right here we have medical drills for the medics to run on these non-injured jet troopers. I designed a lot of pink and a lot of purple troopers. Then I guess this is the drill sergeant. I had these clones. This clone's telling a story while the other ones have their helmets off. I don't have many clone troopers in this mock that have it, so 1 second. I gave the clone some hair. Yes, and then I have just Ahsoka running with a clone. Some more specialist troops. Got a medic and a heavy trooper. Got 2 guards at the gate, of course. ARF troopers, another helmetless clone. The leader of security, I guess. I do a lot of custom clones. This guy, I don't know what he's doing. He has grayish markings. And yeah, there's not much to say about just these infantry, except that guy's carrying Baby Yoda. I got some gunners. Blah, 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 blah. My newest custom ones. Those teal ones are awesome. Just got 32nd Troopers, gunners, Sergeant having them do jet pack drills. Blah, blah, blah. Let's get to the important stuff. These guys are just planning. I got that guy. Commander Aqua. Then the Captain Rex. Then the Jedi. Then the Jedi. Mini walkers. Got my gunship thing, weapons, crates, blah blah blah. Then custom speeder bikes. I like drawing on things. I like drawing on things. I beautifully like drawing on things. I'm so evil. Yeah. Then, yeah, blah blah blah. This is the one from that battle pack thing. The tank. Then blah. And now, time to introduce us to my newest squad, Blood Squad. My airborne troopers now have the beautiful red markings on them. Then I have Captain Scar himself. I did a really good job designing him. I guess these guys were just getting promoted to Blood Squad. And I have 2 more Blood Squad troopers. I found out that if you color red Sharpie over blue markings of 501st troopers, it turns like a rust color and it looks really cool. That's where I got Blood Squad from. Then I just got like 2 medics. Just doing nothing. Being lazy. Oh no, that's not good. Then I have these 2 boys just talking. Sniper, Bloodshot, and then I'm Blood Squad. And that's it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for 21 subscribers. I really appreciate it. And yeah, see you later. Goodbye. I'm gonna do nothing.